Hi, in today's video, we're going to discuss Sylvester Stallone's $35 million Florida Trust power move and why you may want to consider doing it yourself. When Hollywood legend Sylvester Stallone recently dropped $35 million on a massive Palm Beach estate, it wasn't just another celebrity fleeing California's taxes and crime rates. No, the Italian stallion made a serious power move that new and prospective Florida residents need to study, like the Rocky training montages. Hi, I'm Chuck Roulet. I'm an attorney licensed to practice law in Florida and Minnesota. And in today's video, I'm going to discuss Sylvester Stallone's recent announcement that he's going to be moving his family from California to Florida, one of the key legal strategies he's using, and why you should be doing the same thing if you're thinking about moving to Florida, or if perhaps you've already done so. But first, if you haven't already, make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and bell notifications. It's free and you'll receive notices of upcoming videos, and it helps push us out on social media to help other people get this information as well. And if you have a question about wills, trusts, estate planning, or moving to Florida, post in the comments below and I may answer it in an upcoming video. Now, when Stallone purchased his Florida dream home, he did it through a revocable trust. By doing that, he knocked out some major estate planning wins in one smart play. Now, this is your cue to get off the ropes and update your own plan to go full Florida man with a trust built specifically under Florida law. Now, you might be asking, well, why do I need a Florida trust? Well, while trusts help avoid probate nationwide, setting yours up under Florida's unique statutes unlocks some serious VIP benefits. Now, the first is it helps you dodge the grueling probate gauntlet. By titling your property in a valid Florida trust, you can avoid the public and pricey probate process entirely. This helps keep your affairs confidential and helps to save your loved ones from unnecessary court costs and legal fees that can knock out your estate's value. And if you're like many of my clients who buy a home in Florida but still retain a home in another state like Minnesota, Illinois, Wisconsin, Pennsylvania, New York, New Jersey, you're going to want to set up a trust and get all of your property in that trust. Otherwise, if something were to happen to you, your family's going to have to go through probate in multiple states. Now, the second benefit is you can help preserve your homestead's asset protection superpowers. Now, Florida's homestead laws provide excellent tax exemption and creditor shields for your primary residence. But to keep these bodyguard level protections for any properties in your trust, the trust has to have specific provisions in it that were scripted in compliance with the Sunshine State's laws and not another state's screenplay. So again, a trust created in Minnesota, Wisconsin, Illinois, Pennsylvania, New York, New Jersey, most likely does not meet Florida's requirements for trust. And it's highly likely that it doesn't have the required language in there for helping you to preserve Florida homestead. Now, the third benefit of setting up a trust under Florida's laws is it can help prove that you're a bona fide Florida resident. Now, if your former state ever challenges your new Florida residency status over taxes, having a Florida established trust is solid evidence that you made a permanent switch to the Sunshine State. And again, if you get challenged by your previous state, a trust set up under Florida laws can help you punch back. It can also help you unlock some more estate planning superpowers. Now, even longtime Florida residents need to update their trust to keep up with the state's evolving laws and access some serious estate planning powers, like, help you sidestep nightmarish multi-state probate pileups. We've touched on this. So again, do you still own a home or a business in your previous state? With an ironclad Florida trust as your cornerstone, you can save loved ones from the ugly probate battles spanning multiple state jurisdictions. Another advantage, it can help you stay out of the spotlight with privacy-preserving provisions. Unlike a will, which becomes public record, a trust keeps your family's affairs confidential. So again, no more worrying about private details getting spilled out on the internet or third parties harassing your family to help them spend their inheritance. The trust can also customize your wealth protector force field. From creditors to lawsuits to taxes to potential divorces, a Florida trust's advanced provisions can create a force field around your hard-earned legacy. Now, just depending on your needs, we can craft a Florida trust to incorporate sophisticated provisions to help minimize or avoid taxes, safeguard your assets from potential creditors, lawsuits, divorces, or other threats to your financial legacy for your children and grandchildren. And again, with careful planning and the guidance of an experienced Florida estate planning attorney, a trust crafted under Florida law can be your ultimate wealth preservation tool. So when you're ready to update your estate plan with these blockbuster protections, I can help guide you through Florida's specialized trust world. So whether you're new to the state or a longtime resident going for the title defense, book a free game plan session now by clicking the link below. It's time to protect your legacy like the champion you are. And if you would like to learn more, I'm actually going to be hosting a free online masterclass where I'll be sharing some of the insider strategies that I use with my private clients for your will, trust, healthcare documents, powers of attorneys, and more. I'll also be revealing some of the additional strategies I use. Again, this class is free, and there's a link in the description below. I hope you found this video helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Be well.